Okay, on to question 8. At first, question 8 looks a lot like question 7. We have, what is the value of negative 1/4 minus 1/2 divided by negative 4/7? But then we look at our answer choices and we're like, oh darn, they're all fractions. And fractions are not as calculator friendly or calculatorable as decimals are. So we're going to have to do some fraction work, but that is okay. We can get through this. So we have negative 1/4, and we're going to change this minus to adding the opposite. Negative 1/4 plus negative 1/2. I know we're dealing with fractions and integer rules, but it shouldn't really disturb us too much because we know how to add fractions together, and we know that two negatives added together is just going to be adding the numbers and keeping the sign, right? So let's go ahead and get a common denominator. We'll turn 1/2 into 2/4 so that can talk to 1/4 more easily. Add negative 1 plus negative 2 and get negative 3/4, right? Because negative 1/4 plus negative 2/4 is going to get us negative 3/4. Add the numbers together, keep the sign when both signs are the same. And we have that divided by negative 4/7. So right away we have a negative divided by a negative, and we know that is going to result in a positive answer. We know that's going to result in a positive answer, so we know that A and B are not going to work because our answer is going to be positive. How are we going to get our answer? Well, we're going to keep, change, and flip. Just like 6th grade, we're going to keep, change, and flip. We're going to keep 3/4 is 3/4. I got rid of the negative sign because we know our answer is going to be positive. Change division to multiplication and flip 4/7 into 7/4. Multiply through, we have 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 4 is 16. And 21 divided by 16 is an improper fraction, right? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. But we know that 16 goes into 21 once. If you have 21, and you can only go once into that with 16, and if you do, so it's like 21 divided by 16, you can go in there once, you'll have 16 and 5 left over. So that's how you get 1 and 5/16. 1 and 5/16, which is certainly a choice, and we're good to go.